right, everyone. So this is part 2 of the ocean acidification lab, and I've already set it up for you to look at. So what we have are 6 cups. The first 3 have hydrochloric acid inside of them, so that turned the pH to a very acidic color, which is red, which for you guys, that means we're somewhere around 3 on the pH scale, I believe, when we're looking at the Bogen's agents. So using that, 3 or 4 is red. So using that, we know we're starting with an acidic solution in the back. We didn't put hydrochloric acid, so we have a basic solution starting somewhere around a blue color. So we're looking somewhere around like 9. Okay. Now, what we're going to see happen is a change in the color, and this is supposed to run for about 2 weeks. But I'm going to show you the difference in that colors in just a second. So what should be happening here is I put coral inside of these cups. And if we look really closely, not really sure if you can see the bubbling actually happen. Oh, there we go. We're actually getting the bubbling already. Just going to tell you something about the reaction of an acidic ocean or an acidic water and this coral, and the coral being really a base, okay? So a carbonate, if you would. So this is something to think about as you're finishing up the questions, okay? And then I will show you what it would look like in approximately 2 weeks if we were to run this like that. Give me 1 second while I look at our other ones in place. There we go. We're in focus. Okay. So this is what we started with. Okay. And if we take these out, we're going to leave these because these would have no change. Okay. But our other ones that were acidic, we would start to see a change of those. Sorry, I'm just trying to prepare these colors over here for you. Okay. After approximately 2 weeks, we would start to see a color change, meaning that we went from a red of an acidic all the way to a bluish green color on the pH scale, which tells you something about what's happening with the coral, okay? So our controls, if you want to call it that, they started at blue and stayed at blue, all 3 of them, okay? And then our other ones really worked their way to a blue-green color, okay? And that's really the second part of the lab. Check your data charts that are given to you for some of the other information with the mass of the corals, and then you can analyze your questions based off of that.